Good morning. How are you today? Today, we are learning about how to get advice, suggestion from your boss. Sometimes I guess you feel hesitant to get advice, suggestion from your boss because you are afraid boss may get angry or boss may feel offended if you try to get advice, suggestion. However, don't worry. Today, I give you tips of getting advice, suggestion, more proper manner, with proper manner. Step 1. First of all, you have to confirm your idea. Confirming your idea is showing your idea first, instead of waiting for boss's suggestion, instruction. For example, if you say, "Boss, I don't know how to write report, please tell me," then your boss feel offended. Your boss tell you, "Why don't you tell your advice, tell your opinion in the first place?" Therefore, first of all, by telling your boss, "Boss, this is how I think about it." First of all, showing your idea. Therefore, step 1 is confirming your idea first. Step 2, listening to your boss's idea. Even if you think your idea is good, boss may have another idea. Therefore, instead of thinking, "Oh, my idea is very good, my idea perfect," it's important to listen to boss's idea, to check whether there is any other way to take action. Step 3 is reconfirm your idea. Step 1 is confirming your idea. Step 2 is listening to your boss's idea. Then it's important to combine step 1 and step 2. If you combine step 1, step 2, it may become more better idea. Therefore, step 3 is reconfirming your idea. For example, "Boss, okay, may I summarize by putting my idea and your idea? I think plan A. You think plan B. So I'm thinking about plan C by putting plan A and plan B together." Then you have a chance to create so-called synergic effect. At the same time, if you take action after getting advice, suggestion, it's important to report to your boss about the outcome of it. Of course, you have to report status of it. Also, you have to report about result of it. If you report about the result of it, boss may give you another idea or another advice to make your job much better. However, if you don't report about the result of it, maybe your boss doesn't feel encouraged to give you advice, suggestion. It's not only between you and your boss. It's also applicable to relation between you and your colleague, or you and your subordinates, or you and your friends. If you get advice, suggestion from somebody, if you inform them about the status of it or result of it, the other party, such as your boss, your colleague, your friend, feel encouraged to give you advice, suggestion. Then you can get more better idea. One person's idea is limited. However, if you get advice, suggestion from other members, your idea expand by getting so-called collective wisdom. Therefore, don't limit your action, limit to only to your idea. Please open your door and getting any idea from other members. This is a secret of success in your daily job. Thank you very much. Have a nice week.